This factory was booming. Orders doubled. Teams grew. Profits climbed. But 18 months later, shut down. Not because of demand. Not because of competition. But because of one missing skill. Cost control. Not budgeting. Not accounting. But strategic, project-level cost management. And this one skill, not automation, not lean, decides who survives in manufacturing. Today, I'll show you how the smartest factories manage cost at the project level and how you can master it in your own operations. Let me walk you through a true story. A $10 million company, strong balance sheet, experienced leadership. They greenlit a new production line, custom automation, new hires, retooled layout. By the 8th month, costs exceeded forecasts by 42%. Lead time slipped. Working capital drained. What went wrong? The team planned based on optimism, not structured cost analysis. They didn't manage the project like a business case. No cost gate reviews. No proactive scenario planning. And it ended in layoffs. That's why cost management is now the #1 priority for manufacturers scaling fast. Most manufacturers focus on output per shift, scrap rates, throughput, downtime. These matter, but they're metrics, not management levers. Cost doesn't live on the shop floor. It lives in project delays, poor vendor selection, over-customized equipment, inventory bloat, engineering change orders. Every one of those is a cost decision. And that's why you need strategic cost skills, not just operational discipline. Let's define it clearly. Strategic cost management is not about slashing budgets. It's about aligning every decision to financial targets, product margins, long-term value. In short, every machine you buy, every process you design, every supply chain choice should serve a cost strategy. That's how smart companies deliver profitable growth, not just volume. Here's how top manufacturers manage cost across a project lifecycle. Feasibility and ROI modeling, using clean financial logic before committing to CapEx. Vendor and equipment selection, value engineering, not just price chasing. Process design, reducing future waste before equipment hits the floor. Implementation, tight milestone tracking with budget triggers. Commissioning and ramp-up, cost per unit tracking from day one. Post-mortem reviews, comparing forecast versus actual to learn and improve. This is how companies like Toyota, Bosch, and GE manage project-level cost intelligence. You can't manage what you can't see. That's why we teach powerful tools in the course. Project management software. Cost monitoring tools. Economies of scale. Energy-efficient technologies. Break-even forecast models. These aren't Excel gimmicks, they're battle-tested tools from real plants and consulting teams. Want to know where 80% of budget overruns come from? Watch out for these. Scope creep from product changes. Rework from engineering handoffs. Delayed decisions from unclear authority. Inventory purchases made too early. Training costs underestimated. If your cost control system can't flag these early, you'll blow through budgets, even if production looks fine. Let me share 2 real-world examples. A packaging factory saved $380,000 by mapping cost per process before launching a new line. An auto parts supplier avoided a $600,000 mistake by challenging a tooling investment that didn't pass break-even analysis. These wins didn't come from cutting corners, they came from seeing the full financial picture before acting. That's why we built the course. Strategic Cost Management in Manufacturing. It's designed for plant managers, project engineers, cost accountants, ops leaders. Don't take my word for it. Manufacturing used to be about uptime and throughput. Today, it's about financial intelligence at the floor level. Every project must justify itself. Every initiative must tie to ROI. And your team needs the language to lead this shift. That's what our course delivers. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to master the #1 skill in manufacturing success? Click the link below to join Strategic Cost Management in Manufacturing Projects. And take the guesswork out of growth. Learn what the best leaders know. Use what they use. Save what they save. Start today. When you enroll, you don't just get content. You get a system. You'll get importance of cost management, project cost planning, cost estimation techniques, budgeting best practices, baseline budget and cost control, cost optimization strategies,